Hi guys. In this video, we will show you how to reinstall mouse drivers in Windows 10. If your mouse is not functioning properly, then one of the common factors that can cause this is a corrupted mouse driver. To fix this, you will have to uninstall the current mouse driver then reinstall a fresh version. Here's how you can do this. Step 1. Uninstall mouse driver. Right-click on the Start button. Then click on Device Manager. Click the forward arrow before mouse and other pointing devices. This will show you a list of pointing devices. Right-click on the mouse you are using, then click on Install Device. This will uninstall its driver. Step 2. Reinstall the mouse driver. After you have uninstalled the driver, the next step is to install it again. Installing the driver is easy, as all you need to do is to restart the computer. Press Alt plus F4 to close Device Manager. Press Ctrl plus Esc. Select the power option. Select Restart and press Enter. Once the computer starts, Windows 10 will attempt to reinstall the driver. In case you are still experiencing the same problem, then you should consider updating your mouse driver automatically with Driver Easy. Here, we recommend Driver Easy as your great pick to update your drivers. It's a useful tool that automatically recognizes your system and finds the correct drivers for it. You don't need to risk downloading and installing the wrong driver, and you don't need to worry about making a mistake when installing. Thanks for watching this video.